we doing?
And you always start in the belly area, right?
Sometimes I start on the head just to calm the person down. Because I can see right here too that you got these two lines that are quite strong just in your eyebrow area. So that's also indicative of tension just coming straight from in here. But you were mentioning how you were having trouble feeling grounded and settled. So
yeah, and right here too is really painful in the chest area.
Yep. Saying with your jaw issues, were they worse on one side?
Yeah, on the left side.
Yeah.
But they're both really bad. That's technical medical term?
Yeah, technical medical term, yeah. We got rid of Latin in Australia and just, mumbled along.
There you go. Worse on the left side?
Yeah.
Same thing too. Hip area all the way down.
Do you mind if I crack your neck?
No, no.
Okay. Good breath. Just let me know if at any time it's too strong or anything like that. Otherwise, I'm just kind of over it. I think you can handle.
Doing this a lot, so I'll definitely let you know. But, do exactly what you need to do. Gotta get conscious.
I do a lot of work on the ears when the jaw's tight. It's like, so the jaw being tight here often affects this spot just up here, and you can feel how bumpy it is.
Yeah, I'm getting raining. I've been getting raining in my right ear.
Yeah.
Like I just wake up and my ears are red.
This is something you can do a lot on yourself as well, just getting all these different spots here.
What do you think the source is from?
I'm thinking it might be coming from this hand. Like, because feel this?
Yeah.
That's going to be coming right up into here, causing all of this. And that's the either the outer thumb band or the outer wrist band, because they run really close. So the jaw tension and the side of your head tension, you know?
My hand?
Yeah, I think it's
wow.
all in here.
I thought it all radiated from the feet.
If it was from the feet, it would be, well, this stuff here
Yeah.
is probably the
Definitely
sacrum.
the arch.
That's from the arch. But this is more from your hands. So I'd say it's both your feet and your hands. I always just start pretty gently, you know, just to sort of, you don't want to overwhelm the person, but you've obviously got quite a high pain threshold, so
Yeah.
give me an idea when it's about an 8, 9, or 10.
It's a 10 right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we ease off on that a little bit.
Ooh, yes. I'm glad you showed me that because I definitely haven't pressed that hard before.
Right.
So, because
Yeah.
whenever I watch your videos, I'm like, God, you people are squirming. Like, come on. Now I'm like, okay, now I understand because you're really getting in there.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, so what I like to do now, this is stuff I've been working on for the last 7 to 10 years, is the importance of this spot. I like to go in and get the person to deep breathe into their belly at first, because the first what I call charge is going to be released by me bringing awareness to it, but you breathing into it. So like a deep belly breath. And I'm going to keep that at the sort of 8, 9, maybe 9.5. Just let you breathe into it. And I change the angle, like it looks minuscule, the angle, but you can feel the difference as I change it, right? It's super amplified. And you know, this is what I love about it.
You start on one spot, but you're going like around. Yeah.
But see, I'm not moving the chopstick off that spot to start with. What I'm doing is a slight change of angle.
Got it.
And it's like I'm projecting intention in there to release. And then I'm letting you do the releasing, which is the breath. And me amplifying the awareness of the tension. And then a little tiny shake, which again, if you look at what I'm doing, it's like, well, that couldn't be doing much at all. But when you feel it,
yeah, it's definitely different levels.
Yeah. And then, you know, I can just take it off, let you catch your breath, and, you know. So all of this stuff's going to be released by you breathing, you know. I'm going to bring awareness to it. You're going to breathe into it, let it go. And that's what I call the partnership model of medicine. as I come along and leave that center point, that first point, I can move a little bit quicker and just open this channel up. And there's obviously several bands. This is like the start of the inner thumb band. I don't really think of in terms of names of bands. I just think in terms of the, you know.
You visualize it.
Yeah, I visualize it, you know. Has to be a different part of my brain that I access it. Yes, sweet boy. Love you. You can see a bit of shaking and that going on as things start to move. Yeah. And the vast majority of people are, you know, are going to be tight in these into these bands, and you know, coming into spots even like this one, can be very. And we just find that so if we can work up at 7s, 8s, 9s,
it crystallizes.
Yeah,
There's
there are crystals in the joints of them and stuff. So it's whether, you know, I don't know what makes up those crystals, but. So I usually get people back, and then their second. So the first session I do a bit of this, you know, a bit of everywhere, getting to know the person, understanding their pain threshold. Is this the right massage for them? Do they actually want to have their tension gone, or are they thinking that massage?
Especially one session, they're like, yeah, that was way too much pain. I don't know if I can handle that.
That's right. So I'm always explaining what I'm doing in the first session as well. So I'm like I said, if somebody's coming in and saying I've got jaw tension, then I'm going to trace that, and I'm going to go, oh, can you feel that? And they're like, oh yeah, shit. Yeah. And then I'm like, okay, well this is coming all the way down, and then I trace it all the way down. I go, we want to get it out from its roots. But it does take a bit of time, and it takes more. The lower the pain threshold the person has, the more time it takes.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily that I'm, you know, messing around taking a long time. It's like, no, you're not going to want me to. You know what I mean? It's not.
It's like, listen, I'm not the devil.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to help you.
I'm trying to help you, but you know, we all have our limits. You know what I mean? I don't want to overwhelm you. People are like, okay, yeah. I got it. Yeah. So because it is so different, there does it. You know, it takes a little bit of time to retrain a person. And
it's so hard too for people do it on their own and to really push that hard, right? Because a lot of people don't, and that's why you have somebody else that can do it, or feeling the pain.
Yeah. Well, the other thing is that it's hard to focus. The focus that you need to do good massage is different than the focus you need to deep breathe, and also because this can stir up a lot of energy. It can stir up a lot of, you know, whatever's trapped in there basically, and you know, you need to also be able to process that, and that the difficult to combine. Even for me, it's difficult for me working on myself to combine that. Although you can do a lot, you just can't quite go as intensely.
You were talking about these bands right here, because I've tried to do some of these, and when you felt it, are these really tight? And could this?
I was thinking they would be from what you described, but when I felt them, they're not that bad.
Okay.
Like, you can feel that right in there.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, you got some deep-seated tension in there that's coming from, and you got a pulse going on there, right?
Yeah.
That to me is usually symbolic of anxiety, and we get rid of that tension and that pulse. Maybe some crying happens or whatever, and then that goes away.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's the big toe belly band right there, and then you've got your. Which I'd say, like, at first it doesn't, you know, it's tight, but it's very deep down. Right.
So what I can do, because I just think of block therapy that I got works, just that they wouldn't block it, I'd be laying out.
Yeah.
So I guess just consistently, if I work more and more, I get deeper and deeper down. Just the consistency of it.
And it's tracing it down from here.
Got it.
The same thing that I was doing on your thumb. Sorry, I normally have a chair here, you know.
Yeah,